guys, welcome back to another video of Prime 4 Science. And we're visiting Belton House! Okay guys, we are going to be doing the leak-proof bag experiment. It can't leak. So we are going to be needing some water, a bag, and loads of pencils. If you recognise this experiment, you need to like and subscribe and smash that bell. Okay, let's go on. Okay, first thing, you need to open the bag and then pour it in halfway. I'm going to ask the cameraman to do this because I basically am not strong enough, so there you. Tell me when it's halfway. Guys, once the bag is half full with water, you need to seal it up. And I might need a bit of help putting the pencils in, so my brother is going to put in the first pencil. Just put it in through and don't stop pushing. Hey! Look at that, and it's not leaking. Yay! Yes, we got it through. Okay, it's going good so far. You go, your turn. See when it leaks. Let's go. Okay. How many pencils, guys? What actually happened here? Well, plastic bags are made out of polymers. Poly means many and mers means molecules. When you puncture the bag with a sharp pencil, you are separating molecular chains without breaking them. The molecules squeeze tight around the surface and stop any leaking. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like